In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet in 2025. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Cash App, and then you want to go to the bottom menu and select on the dollar icon just like so. From here, please go ahead and select on Bitcoin. If you haven't already, please go ahead and purchase some Bitcoin, but I'm doing this video under the assumption that you already have Bitcoin purchased on Cash App. Alright, so in order to actually send it to other people, what you need to do is you need to press on these two little arrow icons just like so, and then you're going to see this option that says send. Alright, now you need to go ahead and select how much of your Bitcoin you would like to sell in American dollars, or you can go ahead and put in the amount in terms of Bitcoin. So again, just keep that in mind. So let's say, for example, we wanted to send $1 worth of Bitcoin. We can absolutely do so, but then we need to go ahead and press on next. Okay, so my screen is currently black at the moment. That is because Cash App isn't going to let me screen record this part, but basically at the very top, it is going to ask you to input a Bitcoin address or a Lightning invoice. So basically, you want to put in the Bitcoin address of the wallet you are trying to send Bitcoin to. So let me go ahead and quickly show you how to get your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App. For example, you can also find your Bitcoin wallet address if you're using other applications like Coinbase, Phantom Wallet, etc. So here's how to do it on Cash App. So you want to go ahead and select on these two arrow icons one more time, and you want to go ahead and press on receive. Then over here, it is going to give you a QR code that will tell you your actual Bitcoin address, or you can go ahead and press on this copy button, and then it is going to copy your Bitcoin address to your clipboard, and then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and paste it over there. Now, on top of that, it is going to ask you to choose your transaction speed. So there are three different options. There's standard, rush, or priority. Standard is free for transfers of $100 or more, but takes up to 24 hours. Rush and priority are faster, but they do incur fees. If you're using the Lightning Network, which is not available in New York City, by the way, transfers are instant and often free. And obviously, you want to confirm the transaction, review all the details, including the recipient's address and fees. Make sure that the Bitcoin address of the account you're trying to send Bitcoin to is 1000% correct, because the thing is, with Bitcoin transactions, you cannot refund it, you can't cancel it or anything like that. Once you make the payment, it is final. There is no way you can get that money back, even if you talk to customer support. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.